Hello everyone. So today we will be making fishes out of bowls. So first take the bowl and draw a circular shape, followed by which you will draw fins and circles on the body of the fish. Then draw some greens under the ocean to symbolize the waterbed of the ocean. Draw some corals and color it in as you like. You may also draw little fishes out of the stencil that you have and add water bubbles everywhere. Next, we will be taking the stencil and drawing circles at each corner of the page. Make these half circles into flowers, and in the center of the page, make a little insect. Draw an oval body, draw lines to symbolize the body, and draw wings for this insect. We will be drawing a beetle. Add circles on the wings of the beetle to add patterns to it. Next drawing, take the circular stencil and draw circles all over the page. Draw small little sticks and followed by small little petals all over the circles. Add checks to the center of the flower and then add the stems. You can color it in with green later and then add circle on the side to make the sun, a little bee, and color it as you please. Now for our next drawing, we will be drawing 3 squiggly lines which will turn into fish. So at the base, connect it and make fins. For each of the fish, draw different patterns to symbolize that they are different fish. So for the first one, you can draw circles, for the second one, you can draw lines, and for the third one, you can draw anything you want or even leave it plain. Now for our next drawing, we will be drawing a house. However, this house is different. This is a cactus house, so draw 3 layers to symbolize the cactusness of the house. Add some windows on the cactus house and add a little fence on the side. Add a pathway and thorns on the side of the cactus. Now for our next drawing, we will be tracing the outline of our hand and then connecting it in the bottom by drawing the ground. You can add eyes to the hand and then add a tree, branch and leaves. Add patterns on the bark and then add apples all over the green portions of the tree. You may also draw some apples on the ground and some grass. Now for our next drawing, we will be drawing a bird. So make a fin shape on the paper and then draw the eyes and the beak. Draw layers on the wings of the bird and make it look like it is sitting on a branch. This can later on be colored in brown, but you may also add leaves to these branches. We have chosen the color our bird colorfully. Now we will be making a house, a mushroom house. Draw a top cap and then connect it to the stem of the mushroom. Draw circular houses and draw polka dots on the top roof of the house. You may also add a smoke chimney and a ground and some fence at the back. Color it in as you like. Now for our next craft, we will be drawing a chicken hatching. Fold over a piece of paper and draw a circle symbolizing the egg. Now open this folded piece of paper and draw the rest of the chick and the cracked egg. Draw some cute little wings and a mouth. Now open and close it. For our next craft, we will be drawing the stencil of a hand once again, and we can draw a little pot at the bottom. Decorate the pot with patterns as you please. On each of the fingers, draw little flowers and then draw eyes and a mouth in the center of the hand. Draw little thorns at the edges of the hand, symbolizing it as a cactus. Next, we will be drawing another house. Draw an oval shape and then draw a ground. Draw a circular window, following which you will draw a crown on top of the house. Draw small pebble-like structures symbolizing the pathway to the house and draw the sun and fence and trees around it. Color it next. Thank you for watching.